Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and I am here for my midweek CVS video for you guys. I was a little nervous about this one because I was just like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to come back for round two, but your girl is here for it. I hope you are here for it too. If you're here for it, smash the like button for your girl. So this is, I want to say, you know, welcome to summer, because this is officially the first week of summer for me. Josiah's last day of school is tomorrow, and you guys, I'm gonna have a second grader. Mind you, I have a senior too, which is crazy. Like, I would have never thought. Like, of course your kids grow up, of course they get older, of course they progress in life. But I have a senior and I have a second grader, which is just, so you girls, I'm filled with all these type of emotions right now. Like, I don't know if I want to cry. But listen, so I'm here for CVS's video, you guys. We're back. If you guys watched on the video, you know I did not like the free to be. If you like the free to be, let me know in the comments, because your girl didn't like it, and the look on my face was giving, I want to spit this out, but where do I spit it? Like, if I had a napkin or a tissue, I would have spit it out, but I didn't. So I let it roll around in my mouth, thinking maybe it'll taste better. It'll get better, I was thinking, but no, it did not get better. And so I took the plunge and I swallowed it. And that was it. So that deal I will not be doing again this week. I know that Stars shared that it is on Ibotta, so I did get back the 60 cents there. But I will not be doing that deal. I'm gonna save that deal. I'm gonna sit that one out, and I'm gonna save that deal for all of you guys, all you vegans. No offense against the vegans. All you guys that like those, I'm gonna let you have it. I'm gonna let you go at it. It's all yours. And so we're not doing that deal. Now, I did order some more CoverGirl coupons. They are expired, and I was able to use some of them this morning, which is really cool. And so if I can run that deal across the board, then I will, all right, because it's a $3 moneymaker. So that's cool. What else? I did get a email CRT I want to use as well. But I do have some new deals to share with y'all, which is really, really cool. Other than that, you guys, if you did not watch Sunday's video, go ahead and watch that one. I may not share all the same deals, and so without further ado, oh, really quick, how could we forget? Duh. If you're new here, and I know some of you guys are new here, definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. Don't forget the notification bell so you never miss any videos. Without further ado, let's head over to CVS and see what kind of deals we can grab this week.
Alright guys, so big shout out to Miss Star for the reminder, because we do have the 5 off of 3 digital for the crest, and it does work on these cheaper toothbrushes priced at $149. So for this you want to grab a total of 4 of them, and that'll get you over the $5 value of the digital, which is going to bring you to $5.96. And then again, we're going to use this $5 off of 3 digital, bringing that down to 96 cents or 24 cents each. Now, this store only has 3, so I'm going to grab, we're going to grab all 3 of these. And I'm also going to grab the Crest Cavity as well. Now, I normally grab the Charter one because that's the one that Joseph uses, but it's not working with that digital. And again, it's priced at $2.99. So we're going to grab the Cavity instead. And so all 4 products are going to come to $5.97. Again, using the 5 off 3 digital, you end up paying 97 cents or 32 cents each, which is definitely not bad. If they had 4, I would have grabbed 4. I grabbed 4 at the other store. Not a bad deal. Alright guys, so this next deal I'm going to grab is on the Hallmark. I did mention this in my Sunday's video. One of my cards, I have a 3 off of 3. And so this store doesn't have any of the 99-cent cards. It's a smaller store, and they don't even have a 2 for $4 section, so I had to kind of look for them pretty much everywhere. And the only ones I could find are the graduation ones at 2 for $4. So I picked 3 right here. They're $2 each, so that's $6 minus the 3 off of 3 CRT, which is right here. Alright, so you'll end up paying 3 and getting back 3, making them off.
Now for this one, I did have to add a filler because I wanted to use a $5 extra care buck. So I'm not going to count that $1.30 filler. Alright, so there goes the 3 cards at the top. There goes the toothpaste, the filler we're not going to count, and the 2 toothbrushes. So this total
would have been, what is that, 2, 4, 6, 11, like almost 12, I'm going to say. And then we used the $5 digital off the oral care, 3 off of 3 on the Hallmark, and used a $5 extra care buck. But basically, it would have been, what, 96, 97. So $3.97 out of pocket. So let's say 4 out of pocket, and then getting back the 3, I want to say. This is the transaction when I just did the 4 toothbrushes at $149. I used a 5 off digital, paid 96 cents out of pocket. So that one worked out really good. Alright, so this next deal is on the L'Oreal Elvive. And so I think it's a similar deal as last week. Last week was buy 2, get back 4. This week is spend 8 and you get back 4. They're priced at $5.49. Now I found this hang tag on Sunday and figured it would be a great deal. Now I do still have a 3 off of 2 digital, so I'm gonna use, well, for starters, both of them is gonna come to $10.98. We'll use a 4 off of 1 hang tag, and it's gonna glitch with the $3 off of 2 digital, which should bring the total down to $3.98 and get back the 4. So it makes it absolutely free. This is what the receipt looks like. So you end up paying $3.98 and getting back the 4. And so yeah. All right, so this next deal, I did not record in store because literally, guys, my stores were cleared out. It's on the Whole Blends and the Fruities. I did this deal on Sunday. So they're both buy 2, get back 3, 2 different deals. Whole Blends are $5.29, Fruities is $4.69. 4 products is going to come to $19.96. We have a 3 off of 15 CRT. We also have $3 printables for each of them, and we also have $3 digitals as well. So you'll pay $4.96 out of pocket. You'll get back 6 in extra care bucks, making it a $1.04 moneymaker. All right, this next deal I did not record in store either. It's on the Dove. Dove is buy 1, get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2, get back 4. And so I grabbed one at $8.99, one at $4.50. That total is $13.49. I had $2.50 coupons from the save, $6.04. I paid $8.49 out of pocket. Got back $4 in extra care bucks, plus $2 for each on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 24 cents each. Alright guys, so I'm going to try something. I've seen that the paper coupon is glitching with the digital. For Dove, the Dove digital is 4 off of 2. Now I still have a couple of these 5 off of 2 coupons I got from Walmart. I'm going to try using with this, and I'm hoping that it works. And so for this, and I'm sorry y'all know I'm at Club CVS right now. And so we're going to grab a total of 4 of 1 at $8.19, and you're going to grab 1 at $4.09. Alright, so the total for 2 is going to be $12.28, but we're grabbing 4. The total should come to $24.56, right? And then we'll use the digital right here, which is 4 off of 2, and we'll use the 2 peelies, so that's going to take off what, 14 hopefully. So 14, we should pay $10.56 out of pocket, and then we'll get back the 10, which will make it 56 cents for all 4. Now I have a 10, so I went ahead and ordered some more IPs. I was nervous because they're way over, well, I don't want to say they're way expired, but they expired on the 3rd. And so, ordered another set to do this CoverGirl deal. It's buy 2, get back 5. So of course we're grabbing the pencils down here, priced at $4.99. So 2 of them is going to come to $9.98. Using 2 of the printables, you'll pay $1.98 and get back 5, making this a $3.02 moneymaker. That deal was so perfect, you guys. Perfect. So perfect. So listen, so there goes the Dove at the very top. There goes the CoverGirl. My peelies scan perfectly fine. There goes the IPs for the CoverGirl. There goes that 4 off of 2 digital. I wrote a total of $12 in extra care bucks. 54 was our subtotal. Then we got back 5 for the CoverGirl and 10 for the Dove. So we paid $12.54 out of pocket and got back 15, making that a $2.46 moneymaker. Only thing that would be awesome, y'all, is if Dove popped up on Ibotta. So let me cross my fingers and toes that it pops up in the next 7 days so I can submit this receipt. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal. I did get a 6 off of 2 email CRT. I noticed lately, like, I don't know if it's always been like that, but the CVS, you know, emails that we get, if you scroll all the way down, a lot of times there's coupons there, and I never knew that. I would just automatically, like, delete it. And so I was scrolling down, and I have one for 6 off of 2 that I sent to my card. So I'm gonna do this Jergens deal. It has been 20, get back 10. And so I'm gonna grab one price at $8.49 and one price at $13.49. So the total for both is gonna be $21.98. And then for coupons, again, I'm using the 6 off 2 right here. And then I'm gonna also be using a 3 off of 12 CRT. And I'm gonna stack that with this $1.50 coupon. Mine's did expire already. I'll use 2 of these. We should end up paying $9.98, getting back 10, making them both absolutely free. And these bottles are humongous, you guys. There's this one, and there's this one. I probably won't get this one because this one's been pressed, so I'm probably not gonna get this particular one. And so actually, hold on. We're getting this one. We're getting this one. These are the 2 we're getting. And so, look how big these bottles are, y'all. And they'll both be absolutely free. I'm going to stack this with the CoverGirl deal again since I'm on a different card. That was perfect, you guys. Perfect, perfect. So listen, so there goes the CoverGirl. There goes the Jergens. All my paper coupons scanned, which is awesome. And then there goes the 6 off 2 Jergens. There goes the 3 off 12 lotion. I wrote $11 in care bucks. Subtotal was 86 cents. And we got back 5 for CoverGirl, 10 for Jergens. So we got back 15. So we paid $11.86. We got back 15, making this a $3.14 moneymaker, which is so awesome. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. I want to say I'm done this week, but I'm waiting for my store to restock on the Oral-B toothbrushes. Although I thought of just grabbing more toothpaste, since we will use that, or at least Joseph will use the, actually I take that back. The one that he uses, is for some reason it's not working with that 5 off 3 digital. So I'll probably wait for the store to restock today and then do that deal one more time. And then I think that's basically it for this week. And so as you can see, I did run the CoverGirl across the board. The Dove I did twice. If I had more pillies, I probably would have went ahead and did that deal a couple more times. That is an awesome deal. On top of that, there was a rebate on, I want to say Fetch, but it was like, I think it was like spend 20, get back, or spend 25, get back $3.50, but it's not working. It's not counting everything, and I've already had the receipt corrected. And so I may try it again, but I'm not going to count that at all in this. And so that ended up being a really, really awesome deal with the peelies and the digital. And of course, if you have body wash CRTs, I would make it an even better deal, or even throw it in with the Threshold CRT. Everything here worked out really, really good. I have a ton of receipts, you guys. This is the Dove I did it twice. I think I showed you guys one of the receipts, but they're both the same. I just added the CoverGirl on the bottom one, but they both worked out the same exact way. I ended up paying, what is that, $10.56, and then I got back to 10 on that one. And then this one right here, same thing. Well, I had the CoverGirl in here, so $10.56, 10 will be 12, I guess $12.56, $12.50. And then we used $12 extra bucks for the word self-loading and got back, for this one got back 15. I think I showed you that receipt though. But I have a ton of receipts. I'm not going to show you all of these receipts because I think I showed you some of them already. Matter of fact, I'll insert screenshots. That's what I'll do. I'll just take pictures of them and insert the screenshots along the side. As I'm talking, it'll make it easier. And so this worked out pretty good though. Like I said, I was able to use all my CoverGirl coupons, which is really, really awesome. Now for the whole blends, I think I mentioned this on Sunday. For that deal to work, we're having them scan the 2 whole blends first, scan the IP for that, total the transaction out, allow the digital to attach, and then go back out, add the fruities, and scan that coupon. And that's been working perfect for me. Let me see if I can find the 2 receipts for this stuff right here.
because some of you guys were, well, a lot of you guys were saying that the whole blends wasn't coming off for you. All right, so right here, as you can see, the digitals are split because I had them do it like that. All right, so there goes the whole blends, there goes the Fruitiste, the 3 off of 15. All right, and then there goes the $3 printables. This one here, I didn't have a 3 off of 15, but I felt like it was still an okay deal because I had the CoverGirl that was a moneymaker. And so for this one, again, there goes the Fruitiste, there goes the whole blends. And again, it's split. The digitals are split because I had them total it after the whole blends were scanned. So try that. That has been working for me. I didn't have any issues with the digital attaching for the Dove. It automatically went. The L'Oreal automatically went. And so, yeah. But yeah, so that's my tip for the whole blends and the Fruitiste deal. I think you might be able to do it, the whole blends by itself. It might work. In the comments, let me know if you guys have did the whole blends by itself. Is it still not working? I only had an issue on Sunday with that one transaction, and we did it this way, and it worked across the board. All right, so everything you see here retails $215.06. I had $142 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $73.06. This is $16 in tax, and then we got back $78 in extra care bucks, and then we got back $4 for the Dove on Ibotta. So we got back a total of $82, making everything you see here free plus an $8.94 moneymaker, which is awesome. So we almost cleared $10 for this haul, which is just amazing because we got the big, huge bottles of Jergens, we got Dove, and so yeah, awesome deals here. And even after the tax, it nets us at $7, which is still not bad at all. Other than that, you guys, I will leave it there. I hope you guys are having the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.